Three teenagers in a sleek black BMW, one of them just 16, cruising the early morning roads of Ohio. It's supposed to be a harmless late-night drive, but when red and blue lights flash behind them, everything changes in an instant. The driver doesn't pull over, he floors it, 130 miles per hour, a high-speed chase that ends in a horrifying rollover, the car flipping end over end like a toy tossed by a giant. Screams echo from inside the wreckage, a kid trapped, begging to be pulled out, his friends sobbing in the back seat, parents' car destroyed. How did it get this bad, this fast? Stay with me.
Good. Ethan 114. Good. Close to Ethan 114. Heading away from you, they're pretty far from you.
Susie, we're loving. He just crashed out, rolled over. It's still rolling. Trying to get out.
Hey, unlock the door.
Hold on. Take me out. Take me out. I said seatbelt. I can't get seatbelt.
Stop.
It's around my arm. Hey,
Let me see your hands.
I hear.
Let me see your fucking hands.
Okay, please.
Hey, stop. Get back.
We got three. We're trying to get out.
On him where?
No, he doesn't. I swear to God. I swear to God. He doesn't have a gun. Nobody has a gun. I promise. Hang on. Take me out, please. Stop. Please, take me out. Hold me.
Shut up.
Okay. Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. I'm so fucking sorry.
I'm sorry, I had nothing to do with this, I swear to God.
Oh my God, I hate you, sir. I knew I should hang out with bad people like you. I knew it. My mom was right. The good kid hanging out with dumbasses like you.
Can you move your arm?
Okay, I'm so here to have it, please. I'm so sorry to have it, please.
I'm going to jail.
Who was the driver?
Him.
We had nothing to do with this, sir. Sir,
Okay, shut up.
sir, we had nothing to do
Shut
with
up!
this.
All three teens are pulled out and detained. One passenger sobs, "My mom was right about you. I knew I shouldn't have hung out with bad people. You should have listened to your mom, dude." The driver pleads, "I have a head injury. Please pick it up." Their courage was gone. Only fear and regret remained. This was a painful emotional blow. The children realized that the nightmare was real.
Item 12 on inquiry, take the check.
2-0-91, we got everybody in custody, three in detained.
You're clear. Everybody in custody. 3 detained.
We'll need 3 medics.
You're clear. You're with me. You're clear. We'll advise the fire department. They've been dispatched.
I have a head injury. Please just check it out.
You're good, brother. I'm gonna get you out of cuffs, alright?
Officer, I had nothing to do with this.
Shut up! Just stop.
Oh my God.
Officer, please help me.
Just stop.
I feel bad. I had nothing to do with
We
this.
got you. Just be quiet.
I lost
Going 12 on 117.
My knee hurts so bad.
We got you, brother. We're gonna get you checked out. Let's go sit down.
sorry, man. Oh my God.
You alright?
No.
Other than being upset, I know you're.
I just met these people, man. My mom knew they were bad people.
Is the gun or is the car stolen? Do you know?
I
Think
it is?
We're just coming back from the fight.
The fight.
The UFC fight.
Where you guys live at?
I live in Springboro. Please call my mom, please. Don't come get
Call
me.
your mom, man. You tell him to stop?
Yeah, of course, man.
I feel you. I'm gonna take your cuffs off here in a second, okay?
I could die, bro.
No, you're not. You're good, brother. Calm down. Calm down. Hey, it's important for you to calm down right now.
I'm sorry.
2018.
So again?
Push your head. All right, here we go. To knees.
BMW.
I can't really see anything
Close
right
enough
now
to
because
Porsche.
Looks like you had the final 148. You still need the channel.
We don't.
It's not working any north yet. That's primary north is unrestricted at 118.
A perfect storm of speed and bad luck. The car comes to rest upside down or mangled. Silence for a split second, then screams. The driver admits he lives in Springboro. The high-speed rebellion ends in handcuffs, sirens, and a totaled family car. The drama fades, but the consequences echo. One teen begs, "Please call my mom." So let's see what happened.
2091.
Yeah,
Wait for 91.
Disregard. The plate.
190.
I thought the plate was on it.
Hold up, some on the radio. It's a Toyota Corolla, silver in color.
Well, here's the plate bracket. It's unlocked.
I heard you get north, so I was like, I'm getting that peak.
Yeah. Hey Heath, can you take his cuffs off for me? This passenger. No. Nothing, I don't think. Is my radio traffic that bad?
It's muffled.
I think when I'm going 115 miles an hour, it muffles. There's no other time it does.
It's muffled a little bit. I can understand. But it was muffled.
Super 12.
Is there a plate on it?
I think so.
Crashes in the front yard between 4600 and 4612. Stay around 48. There, crash between 4600 and
I can't even read the damn VIN. Zebra 91.
Zebra 91, stand by. Here's my. Zebra 91, go ahead.
I think this is the VIN. Break for it.
Go ahead.
5 Union X-Ray Tom Sam 3 Charles 55 John 0 Zebra 00 795. It has to be that I'm going so fast and there's so much echoing in my car. You think so?
They all sound muffled like that.
Even when I'm not in a pursuit.
I mean, yeah, I can tell that you have a different mic. It's
Yeah.
it just sounds weird. Kids, man, what are they doing?
Dumbasses. They
I know
like
one of them.
they squealed and peeled going down South Main and was going like 40. And then I got behind them and they noticed and they took off.
In Ohio, fleeing police, evading under ORC 3921331 is a felony, especially at these speeds. Add reckless operation, potential endangerment, charges stack fast. Teens under 18 face juvenile court, but records can haunt college, jobs, insurance for life. Nationally, NHTSA reports over 11,000 speed-related deaths yearly, many involving young drivers. Running from police, it almost never ends well. Pursuit policies exist to protect the public, but when a kid hits 130 miles per hour, the risk explodes. This body cam shows the human cost. A parent's BMW destroyed, a teen's future derailed, friends traumatized. One let's run decision rewrote 3 lines. Both passenger was transported to Dayton Children's South and the driver to Kettering Health, but he's on the legal consequences. He's 16 years old, was arrested on charges of felony flee or elude, among others.
Clear. Can you send a tow for that Sandy's flatbed?
Two William 11 on inquiry.
211, go ahead.